If you're looking for an excellent ceiling fan, this is the one to buy. It is simply outstanding. Installation took about an hour. It was very straightforward. Everything is very sturdy. The materials are quality, and wiring it was a breeze. Now let me show you some of the features using the remote control. So to turn on the fan, you simply hit one of these buttons, and look how well it goes. And by the way, the fan creates a lot of airflow. It's impressive. Then check out the lights. Now you've got different hues of the light. So you've got a daylight, you've got a more soft, and then you've got a bright one. And then you can control the brightness. You've also got some timers on here too. But as you can see, it's a beautiful fan, and the 8 blades really move some air. This is an impressive fan. I've got mine set up in an outdoor space. It is fantastic. I recommend buying yours today.